Hello everyone, today I'll be doing a quick unboxing and overview of the LaView doorbell camera. This is how it comes in the box. So there's no tape on either side, so you just lift it up. We have this little palmlet, stay connected. We'll look what's inside in a minute. We have the doorbell itself. This is attached to the black cover. It has a nice little weight to it. The lens is covered with plastic to protection, and we'll take that off in a minute. Alright, we'll take all this out in a minute and take a look. Put that to the side. There's nothing else in this box, and we have two more these covers. One is like gray and the other is white, as you can see here. Nice. I'm gonna put all this back. Let's see if there's anything else underneath. I don't think so. Nope, nothing else. One thing I missed is as I was going through the manual, it's saying that it has multiple accessories included, as seen here. And I don't see certain things, and I realize I missed the box. So there's actually a box here which has accessories inside, which gives you all that you need to install this. So basically you get two screws, right? Actually more than two. Okay, so you get 4 screws. You get just 2 screwdriver of various size. You get this to connect the to give you extension. This is a resistor. This is what you'll be using it to connect. I don't know if this is for the resistor. Yeah, so, and the mounting hardware. So yeah, that's in that box. Put that back, put that back. Let's put this back. Let's put this back for a minute and let's take a look what's inside here. Okay, we have this wrench. Definitely has some kind of use. We'll see what that is. We had this product warranty. LaView is back with 1 year from the purchase date. Okay, that's great. LaView has some great contact support team behind their service, behind their product. Reason is I have used them, and you know, if you call them during the time frame they are available, they will answer and reply to your questions, and also take care of you. I have seen that firsthand. So this is the setup guide. We'll look through that in a minute. This is the Wi-Fi camera user manual. I guess how to set it up. Surveillance 24 hours. Nice little. And this is the drill hole mounting template. That's nice. that they provide this. Okay, I think this is very important to have. Alright, alright, so you have a few things. You have the lens here, you have the infrared light here, you have the mic here, that's the dot on top, you have the doorbell. Doorbell has a light, okay, illuminated light. It has a speaker. I'm thinking the speaker is here. Okay, this is here where you're gonna connect the power. Right, I guess these two could go here, right? You unscrew it and connect it. It doesn't matter which way, what goes what. These two holes here are for screwing this into the wall. All right. So now this cover, you're supposed to take it off for installation purpose. Now I find that really hard, and there's no way to take it out. You know, you can find it to be a little loose, but it doesn't want to come out. So what I did is get a needle nose pliers. There's a little something that you catch onto, and see how difficult they make it. I don't know why it's like this. Should be fairly simple. Oh, there we go. There we go. Hope I didn't break it. So yeah, maybe they can improve on that. Alright, so what this is, and this hole here, which is this here, is to screw the case, the cover, to faceplate to the doorbell. Alright, and it's a security, like a star type security bit, and you use this wrench to screw that down, and that's how that works. And I was initially confused on what that was, but once I saw the screw and the tip here, realized that that's what it is. So no one can easily tamper with the camera or steal it for themselves. So yeah, unless they have this, which I guess someone who knows what they're doing could do it. But yeah, alright, so let's go ahead. So now you can see the lens, the mic. Oh, so here is the reset button. If you hold that down, I guess that's the reset button. And here we have access to the micro. Okay. Okay, there we go. There's actually a micro SD card in there. That is, it comes with a 16 gig micro SD card. That's nice. They provide you. I didn't realize that there was one in there. So yeah. Okay, so that's it for this unboxing and overview of the LaView doorbell. Stay tuned for the complete installation video.